Hi everyone. In this video lecture, I am going to explain the proof of derivation of the general solution of a given trigonometric equation of the type sin x is equal to sin y or sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Okay. So let's learn how we can derive the formula of general solution of the equation of type sin x is equal to sin y. Suppose we have sin x is equal to sin y and we have to find the general solution of this. Find the general solution of the equation sin x is equal to sin y. Correct? So what is given in the question? Sin x is equal to sin y. Okay? Sin x is equal to sin y. Now it can be written as sin x minus sin y. Sin x minus sin y is equal to what? 0. Now this is in the form of sin c minus sin d. Okay, whose formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, which is equal to 0. This implies cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2 is equal to 0 by 2, that is 0. Okay. Now what is in our LHS? In our LHS we have the product of two different numbers. Okay. One number is cos x plus y by 2 and the another one is sin x minus y by 2. Okay. So we know that if the product of two or more numbers is equal to 0, then either of them will be 0. When, according to this concept, when cos x plus y by 2 is equal to 0, then this is in the term of in the type of cos theta is equal to 0. So its general solution will be theta equals odd multiple of pi by 2, that is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Okay. What will we have? X plus y by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Okay. In this way we can write x plus y is equal to, after cancelling this 2 in the denominators of both sides, then we have x plus y is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi simply, and in this way we can write x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi and minus y. Okay, after transposing y from LHS into the RHS, we have x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi minus y. Okay, so we see that this is, first part is what? Odd multiple of pi. Okay, odd multiple of pi. Then we can write plus minus 1 into y easily, and in this way we can write also the second term as minus 1 to the power any odd number, suppose general odd number, that is 2n plus 1. Okay, because if we raise any negative number by any odd number power, then it will give us always negative result. So minus 1 can be rewritten as minus 1 raised to the power a general odd number, that is 2n plus 1, and into y. Okay, so we have x equals 2n plus 1 into pi plus minus 1 to the power an odd number into y. Okay, suppose this is equation 1. So this was our first condition, first situation, when the first number is equal to 0. Now we are to go with the second number is equal to 0. That means and when the second number, that is sin x minus y by 2 is equal to 0, sin x minus y by 2 is equal to 0, then this equation is of the type what? Sin theta equals 0, whose general solution is what? Theta equals n pi. Okay, so x minus y by 2 is equal to n pi. In this way x is equal to 2n pi plus y. This can also be written as 2n pi plus minus 1 to the power an even number, a general even number, okay? Because of if we raise by an even number power a negative number, then result will also be positive, okay? That's why we can write positive y as minus 1 to the power general even number into y. Because of minus 1 raised to the power general even number or any even number, it always gives us a positive result and into y, okay? So both have the same meaning. Suppose this is second equation, okay? Now look at equation 1 and equation 2 also. Both of the equations contain the values of x, okay? Hence, thus from equations 1 and 2 we get from these two equations we get this is also the value of x, this is also the value of x, okay? So we can write value of x is equal to even multiple of pi. 2n into pi means what? 2n into pi means an even number into pi, that means even multiple of pi, okay? 2n is always an even number. And here in the first part, this is odd multiple of pi. 2n plus 1 is always odd number for every integral value of n, and for every integral value of n, 2n is always an even number. So first part of equation second says that even multiple of pi, and first part of first equation says that odd multiple of pi, correct? So we have to take odd and even both at a time. So right here n pi, where n is any integer, either even or odd, either even or odd, okay? So x is equal to n pi means integral multiple of pi. It may be an even number, it may be an odd number, okay? Integral multiple of pi. After that we have to put a positive sign, because of here is also a positive sign, and in this equation also we have a positive sign. After that, minus 1 raised to the power, here is an even number and here is an odd number. So we have to choose a number so that it can give us even also, odd also, either even or odd in different situations. So we have to put here n, that means any integer, okay, into y. So this is the general solution of the equation sin x equals sin y, okay? X is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to the power n into y. Suppose the equation is sin theta equals sin alpha, same as sin x equals sin y, then theta equals, then theta will be equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha, in the same way as this is derived here, okay? In terms of x and y, in terms of theta and alpha, you can also derive the same thing in the same way. I hope you must understood these things. Thank you everyone.